Various journalist groups, as well as an international human rights group, expressed support for Rappler and CEO Maria Ressa following 5 separate tax cases filed recently by the Justice Department. The Committee to Protect Journalists, or CPJ, releases a statement saying it, quote, condemns the escalated campaign of legal harassment and calls on authorities to immediately drop all pending charges against Rappler. CPJ Sean Crispin says, the mounting tax charges against Rappler are a blatant form of legal harassment and underline President Rodrigo Duterte's desperate attempt to stifle its critical reporting on his government. On Twitter, the International Center for Journalists, or ICFJ, said it stands by Ressa and Rappler. In November, Ressa received major awards from both groups, ICFJ's 2018 Knight International Journalism Award and CPJ's 2018 Gwen Ifill Press Freedom Award. International watchdog Human Rights Watch on Thursday says, Duterte has sent a chilling message to journalists and human rights activists. Ressa described the tax cases against her and Rappler as a desperate move aimed at silencing independent voices.